everyone, it's Rachel. Just a quick aside before we get into today's video. I taped this up a couple of weeks ago before vacation. I am back from vacation. It's been a little busy with work and I have been working nonstop. So that's why I took a little bit of a break. I will be going back to normal scheduled videos, but just want to let everyone know I had a really good vacation and it was a nice break. And yes, I'm around and I'm okay. Anyway, enjoy today's video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. So I finally did a video on my add-ons, or no, this isn't my add-ons. This is the, what's it called? Edit sale for fall of 2020. I finally got my stuff, or I got it a while ago, and I'm finally getting around to taping it. So anyway, let's dive in and see what I got. I did not spend a fortune on this sale. But I always got a mystery bundle, so we'll do that last, and then we'll go over just the few items that I picked out and why I picked them out. So first item here is the Zoe Aiea silicone makeup brush cleansing tool. I have needed something like this to clean my brushes because before I always just used my hand or a washcloth and that was getting irritating. So I got this because I don't have anything like that. I believe it was like $7. I did get the This Works Morning Expert Multi-Acid Pads. I had just run out of my facial pads and I was about to use another one, and then recently in a bunch of boxes I just got a bunch of facial pads, so it may be a little bit of time before I get to this, but I just thought this would be nice to use. And there were a couple facial pads in the sale, but ooh, this one has a nice like Sprite smell to it. I just thought this would be a good thing to try because I'm on the quest for the best resurfacing facial pads. I am a big fan of those in general. All right, we got the Olek Henriksen Invigorating Night Transformation Gel. I like Olek Henriksen. I have one of their, I have a lot of their eye cream. That's like my favorite eye cream. And so I thought this would be interesting. This is a AHA complex, so it is basically a acid that helps gently exfoliate your skin. I do really well with that acid. And you're supposed to apply this on the skin at night. And it's supposed to, I think, just gently resurface your skin. So I thought this would be very interesting to try. And we'll see. It's a gel, so we'll see if I like it or not, because I'm gonna hit or miss with that. This one I thought would be very interesting, and I didn't know if it was going to be good or not. So this is one of those like random buys that I usually do, and then I try it out and tell you guys later at some point in the future. But this is the Beauty Shot Huel Botox. So it's Botox oil. So if you guys don't know what Botox is, it's a toxin from a bacteria that's supposed to paralyze you. And so a lot of people will get Botox put into their skin. I have actually never gotten Botox, although I think about it occasionally for these two little lines here that drive me nuts. But this is supposed to be on a little oil that you're supposed to put a little bit in your cream, and then you apply it to your face. And I thought, let's try this. This could be totally stupid, or this could be totally helpful. And let's see what they say about it. It's Botox-like, so it's probably not actual Botox. Oil slows down the aging and wrinkling formation, creates the effect of a well-rested face, and face skin becomes more elastic and firm. So I thought this would be probably super gimmicky, but I wanted to try this out. And it says use it separately by rubbing it on every evening for no fewer than 14 days to wrinkles and smoothness of the skin. So we'll try that out and I'll let you guys know. All right, next item here is the, I've wanted to try this product forever. When I saw it first drop on Sephora a long time ago, and I finally got it on this sale because I saw it pop in there. This is the Kaja Beauty's the Heart Melts, and if you know what I'm talking about, it's gimmicky. It's a little heart, and it's like this little clicky thing. Let's see if we can click it up here. They're basically like little, I think they're like lipsticks basically. They're supposed to be like lip glosses, lip balms. Yeah, it's like a lip gloss lipstick type thing. So really pretty. Oh, it smells like candy. That smells good. So I wanted to try these out because I wanted to try this brand for a while. It's a K-Beauty brand. So I thought I would try that out and see how I liked it. All right, next product here is the Milk Makeup Matcha Toner Gel Toner Stick. So again, this is something gimmicky, but I thought I would try it, and it's supposed to basically tone up your skin. Oh, I should have opened this before. Unfortunately, it is stuck in here and I don't have my scissors in here. But the idea of this is it's supposed to tone up your skin. It has kombucha, I'm saying that wrong, I think, witch hazel, and it's supposed to, and green tea. So it's supposed to smooth, hydrate, and tone up your skin. Next thing here is the Frutia My Orchard Peach Body Wash. I thought this would be very interesting, and I go through body wash really quickly, so, oh, that smells like, it smells like peach, like hardcore peach. So I thought this would be good. I liked that it was a pump bottle. This is also a Korean brand, so I thought it'd be fun to try this one. All right, next thing here is the Kerr Diamond Shine Top Coat. I needed that, and this brand has just generally been well liked. I've noticed it sells out pretty quickly, so I thought this would be nice to go ahead because I do like putting on nail polish every once in a while, specifically more my toenails than my fingernails, but I wanted to try that out and see what I thought about it. And then the final thing here, I actually bought these for a gift. I'm going to give these at Christmas time to my husband because he loves chapsticks. So this is the Salt and Stone brand Mint Lip Balms. So I thought these would be nice to give to him. And then I did get 2 clothing items in this sale. And I usually will show you guys pictures of it, but I'm kind of running out of time tonight for editing and stuff. So I'm not going to be able to show you, but I think one of these was in the current sale that's going on right now. This is the first item here. This is the Skies Are Blue. It's actually quite see-through now that I'm looking at it, but it's really pretty. It's like a polka dot blue long shirt. It's real silky feeling. Anyway, I'll try to wear this in a future video so you guys can see, but unfortunately today it's not going to happen. And then the other one was this... it's like a poncho type thing. I thought this would be nice too. It's like a little poncho. Let me see if I can put it on just to show you guys what I'm talking about here. This type of thing. It's like a poncho. I thought this would be nice. In Texas, we don't get as warm or hot here, so it would be kind of nice. This is Summer and Rose. I've had hit or miss luck with Summer and Rose, so we'll see. Okay, let's get into the mystery bundle. And this is not going to be a super long video, but that's probably good. All right, so you guys know I get mystery bundles every single time. They are $29.99, and it's very hit or miss whether I like them or not. So this is my mystery bundle this month, okay? So the first item here is the Syndoggy Brightening and Exfoliating Body Lotion. This is a very interesting, I think I've looked at this in the past in sales and been like, I'm curious. I'm not a big fan of body lotion, but I am curious that if this is brightening and exfoliating, how this works. So I'll give it a try because this is very intriguing. Might be good for my legs or my elbows where I get a little bit more like rough and tumble there. All right, next item here is the Vegemore Pure Marula Oil. And I think this is hair oil. Is this right? No, this is body and hair oil. Face, body, and hair. I'll have to try this. I have not had good luck mixing hair and body oil. Usually it works well for one or the other, and I find if it says it's good for the body and the hair, it's probably only good for the body. But anyway, you can also use oils like this in the bathtub. You can put it in different products. But anyway, marula oil is usually really good. My hair product or hair oil I use right now is marula oil, and I do like it. I'm not going to open this just yet because I'm not ready to use it, but when I do, I will let you guys know. There's an ish product here. This is so funny. I feel like probably every other mystery bundle I get an ish product. If you guys don't know, ish is a in-house brand for Fabfitfun. This is the color Foxy in the Hydra matte lipstick. This is an insane color. Look at this color. And ew, I don't think I'm gonna use this. I don't know if you guys can notice, but this has fuzzies on the outside. I don't know if it's just, it's hard to tell, but it looks fuzzy on the outside. That's kind of gross. I'll probably reach out to Fabfitfun because I don't know if this product is gone bad. but I don't think I want to try this or give this away because that looks gross. So I've had their Hydra matte lip gloss or lipsticks before, and they've never looked like that. But that's disgusting. This reminds me of like the Jaclyn Hill issue almost. I don't know. That's really gross. Okay, so that is a miss. I will reach out to them. I've had occasionally them send expired or bad products before, and they've been very good about like fixing it. So I'm gonna send them pictures of that and go from there. Okay, the final thing here is a random pillow, which I have no problem getting a random pillow, although I usually like getting pillows in pairs just because it's weird to get a random pillow. Red's not really the color I tend to use in my house, but this is not a bad pillow. I definitely have a place I could put this. This feels like it's got feathers in it, or down actually. Yeah, it's duck feathers. This is a nice, fluffy, thick pillow. So I'll definitely use this somewhere decoratively. I'm not upset about this pillow, but this is the most random, bizarre mystery bundle that I've gotten in a long time. And this lipstick situation is bizarre. So yeah, that's a little disconcerting. Anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.